So, you're required to create an ePortfolio for your class. Well, it's worth knowing there are some initial setup steps we will have to do before we create your ePortfolio. First, you will need to join the Digication course for this class. Once you join, you will have access to an ePortfolio template your professor has left for you. Now, there are many faculty members that use this course template feature in their classes and many that do not, so you'll want to confirm with your instructor whether or not this step is required. Okay, so on your Digication dashboard, that second box down should be labeled My Courses. To the right of that label, you will click the green Find button on your page. This will bring you to a page that lists many similarly named courses that are using ePortfolios. We want to make sure that you get into the correct one, so go ahead and type in the course number in the text box that sits above the label Course Number. When you type the course number, be sure to include any dashes. If you're unsure of your course number, check either your class Moodle page or syllabus. If you cannot find your course, please consult your instructor. Once you have typed in your course, click the search button on the right. This will effectively filter the list of classes and simplify your search. Next, click on the title of the course. And finally, once you confirm the name of your instructor is correct, and the date ranges match the range of your class, click the green Enroll button. Now that you're in the course, click on the ePortfolios tab. Under this tab, you may see a list of all ePortfolios and templates associated with this course. You may or may not have to scroll to the bottom of the page, but you should see a green Create ePortfolio from Template button. Go ahead and click that button. Okay, now we are ready to give your ePortfolio a name. Go ahead and name it your first name, last name, then include a modifier that relates to this course. So for an English class, you might put ENG, or for sociology, you might put SOC. For this one, I'm typing something related to the theme of this course. Next, click the blue Create button on the bottom right corner. This will bring you to a processing page. Now this page occasionally times out, so if it does, just refresh the page. Otherwise, it will take you to the landing page of your ePortfolio. So, we've created your ePortfolio. Now let's head back to the Digication dashboard. Hover over the D logo at the top left of the page. The second icon, shaped like a house, will take you back to the dashboard. So now on your dashboard, you will notice under My Courses is the class that you enrolled in, and under My ePortfolios sits the ePortfolio that you've created. So from now on, when you want to add work or update your ePortfolio site, you will log in, you will click back into your already created ePortfolio, then you will continue to add work to this site. The last step will be to make sure that your instructor can visit your website. To set this up, click on the Portfolio Actions menu at the top right corner of the page. Next, go ahead and click the Publish Pages option. This brings you to a page that lists all pages that exist inside your ePortfolio. Just go ahead and click the blue Publish button on the bottom right corner. For the first time publishing, we're brought to a settings page. Go ahead and click on the blue Edit button. It sits right beside Also Share with Specific People, Groups, or Courses. And now in the text box field that appears, type in the exact same course number you typed in earlier. For me, it was SOC-227-WBZ. Now that course should appear as a recommended option. Go ahead and click on this course. Now our permission settings are basically saying, my ePortfolio is private to me, with the exception of the students and faculty of this course. Finally, click Save Settings.